Okay, folks, we're going to continue on with our assembly. So I got a new column going here. So I'm going to open this section view up. So I've got reinforcing here. We need some down here in our footing. So we normally wouldn't do this. It'd probably be separate, but we can just show this for an example. So here we're going to rebar. And then I got to make sure this is parallel. So let's go with this shape here. And let's do it like, let's put it that way. And then here I'm at 4-inch spacing. So I'm going to cancel that here and I'm going to select it. And let's make this maybe, let's say 9 inches. Or let's say a foot. Well, let's make it 9. Or it depends, it don't really matter. So I've got that 9, got that spaced out there. So then now I want to sketch one. I'm going to sketch a bar right through here to connect down here. So to do that, I'm going to go back into my rebar. And then I want to do single. And then I want to go sketch. So here I want to be in this section, and then I want to select it. I want to select this. Okay, 1 second here. Structure, rebar, and I want to hit the sketch command. So here. And I want to say pick a plane. I'll say okay, we'll pick that one. And we'll go, this should be section 4. So I'm just going to go open view. And we could do that here, but I don't want to do it that way. So I'm going to cancel that. Go back into this section and do this another way. So I'm going to go rebar, single. Now that's there. So here we want to go, we want to sketch this guy though. So, or we can modify it here, but I want to sketch because I want a different shape. Or we can do this actually. This might be even better. Let's go with, that might be a good one. I want to sketch. Let's sketch this guy again. Let's see if that'll work. Let's just sketch it, if it'll let us. So here I want to sketch. Well, pick a plane. Okay. That one I pick. And there's all my cover. So then I draw my line here. Let's go from there. That and go from there to there. It's going to be something like that. We can adjust this maybe. And then I want to bring it down a little bit more there. Then I want to finish it. Okay, so there's that bar. Sorry, I don't know how that got there. Let's delete that out. And then here, so we only got one here, so let's go maximum spacing here. And let's say a foot. No, let's make it a foot. Depending on that column size, we don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just say 6 inches for now. I'm going to apply. And then I'm going to see if I can mirror this guy. The whole thing over. And there. Now here, we want to go into our 3D view and see what we got going here. This section is section 4. Okay, so we can make adjustments here and everything. So now let's go back into our plan view. There's that column. So we got some little issues here. With these two. So here I'm going to edit this and just sort of push these here and there. We might have edited these in the assembly as well. So we want to just bring these guys, the little pull arrows here you want to use, grab it, and just pull it in a little bit within there and there. Okay, so now we want to create assembly out of this. So let's go into our 3D view. Where's that guy? I don't even remember where I put him, so I'm gonna go back into this level, and then I can make it from here, I think. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab all these elements right here. I want to grab. Let's do it from here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and grab this. I want the rebar, this shape here, this shape, the footing, and the column, and then I want to go create assembly. Now I want to cancel that because I don't think I have, I do have the column, so I want to go create assembly here. Do I have the column? Yes. So let's go create assembly. This would be number 4, and we're going to say okay. Now here, we can do this 2 ways. You can do it in the project browser, or you can do it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and create my views. And then here, it says sheet. And then we want to go down and we want to see it's got 8.5 by 11. I don't think there's one there, so I'm going to show you how to load one. So here you select load. And I've got some sheets somewhere here. This is where we got hung up the last time. So you have to basically go to where your sheets are. I got my Imperial library here. I'm going to go down to my sheets, title blocks. I'm going to take the 8.5 by 11 and I want to open that up. Okay, so we have a sheet there now. So if I go in the project browser, I'm going to say okay, of course. I want to add schedule. I'm going to just take all the views. We don't normally need them all, but I'm going to take them all and I'm going to say okay. So now here our views are. So we go back into our project browser here and scroll all the way down. And I think this was assembly 4. Yep. So there's our detail view within that assembly. So I'm going to go to our sheet. And now we have our sheet. So to add the sheets, we just drag and drop them. So we're going to drag that one. That's our 3D view. And then we might want to put that in a, let's see. We want to go, I'm going to activate this view. Right click here. And let's make this shaded view or hidden line. We can do a shaded view here, but we can do a lot of different things here. So I'm gonna stay with wireframe for now, and then we might want to do a left view of this column. And just drag and drop it here. Okay, let me deactivate that first, and I might want to drop the scale down. Activate view. This scale would be 1/2 inch. That's probably good because all we want to do is a couple of views here. So I'm going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to bring in my my rebar schedule. Let's activate view. Bring in my rebar schedule here. And we can adjust that. And it works just like any ordinary schedule as far as adding properties and fields, and we can make adjustments. So that's that. And then we want to go with our column schedule here. That's giving the column that we use and everything. So this is pretty good. So I just wanted to show you how this works, how you get the actual schedule in here. Make these adjustments. So now we want to go and grab a few more views. So we probably want to do a, let me just make this scale a little smaller. This is not going to fit here. Let's go down to 3/8. Yeah, that's better. And we want to select that there. And maybe we want to get a profile view. Let's get a left elevation. Drag and drop that over here. And I'm going to change the scale to 3/8. And I'm going to drag that guy in here. So normally we might want to get a bigger sheet here or something. Maybe make this a little smaller. All right, so y'all get the message, get the idea how this works. Yeah, I'll do 1/4 inch. So that's how this works, guys. So I just want to show you how you set the sheets up here. That down here. Now another thing we can do, I can activate this view and I can go in here and I can right click and I can hide category here. And there you got just the column, and then we can go and add dimensions and do our editing and everything here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just basically change these to hidden line here. Make this fine, of course. And then I want to change this to hidden line. So we got all these options. So now I can grab this column here. I can edit this, so I can grab it, edit this assembly. And then I can select this and the column, and I can right click this thing, and I can override graphics in view, let's say by category hopefully, and I don't want to do that. I want to go here, I want to say okay, override graphics in view by element, and I want to make this transparent. Apply, okay. And then I want to hit the finish here. So there's our column, and you can see that the rebar here. So there's a lot of things you can do with these guys. So I just want to run that through right quick with you. So here I want to make this, activate this view. So this works just like everything else in Revit. Okay, activate view. I'm gonna activate this view. I'm gonna make this, okay, there you go. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Deactivate this. I want to check this over here. So that's basically it with assemblies. Again, they've got all these other views here. I probably would want a plan view here. What's that? Activate view. This probably would go up front here. So you can arrange these any way you like. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're moving on from structure now. We're moving to something else. Let me activate this view. I'm gonna make this 3/8. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and y'all be safe. Bye. Until next time. Be safe, y'all. Please subscribe.